model, 68-plate Ford Transit Custom 280 Trend. Long MOT ULEZ compliant non-runner. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 104,342. MOT, 17 December 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner. Timing belt has snapped. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Engine will need repairing or replacing but 100% worth getting this done. Van is a beauty. These don't last long on our pitch before they are sold. Smiling face. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, parking sensors, cruise control.